Alright, y'all, we back with the 110 scales. My boy trying to kick my ass again today. Alright, that's how we warming them up. It's like 30 degrees out, and we'll get them running.
On paper, that OS should be shitting on this thing.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, if it had a back plate, yeah. Y'all, me and Sammy got the 10 scale all roads back out. If y'all was tuned into the last video, a couple people said I need to go later on my shift point, so which I did. So we're gonna test that out now. Sammy running. Hope y'all heard that. It went a little later. I done ran this set to Sammy twice today. Got the pickup out. Ooh. My steering too sensitive right now. I'm thinking my steering servo is dying though. Mine sound like it.
I can't touch the slow speed without it fucking dying.
Mine too. You're gonna see it right now. Every time I touch it, it drops off. Ready, set, go. Definitely,
At least we went straight.
Yeah, for sure. Ready, set, go. Oh.
Dang, that was dirty. That was a dirty race.
My boy took me out. See, I had to jump on him. Took me out. Let me. Ready, set, go. You definitely got the jump on me. Definitely got the jump on me, that one. Ready, set, go. Get me out the hole. And I got it shifting later, but engine block smoking. I got to go in on my low end. It been on. It might be interference somewhere. Sammy getting a little interference. This?
Hit it.
I'm gonna break.
Right off.
I did. I been did. Gotta be somebody over there fucking with us. Why my shit not getting interfered? That receiver, that's not supposed to happen to. That receiver. So something else is crazy. We've been running this all the time. Maybe that dude over there is doing something fucking strange.
What the fuck? I don't understand. Is that a different battery? Why is it only when I start it too?
Yeah, that's crazy. Get interference somewhere.
That's crazy. That's total.
Red line.
That's fucked, dude. I can't run like that. There's no way, man.
Yeah, that's.
My shit's gonna get fucking smashed. What the fuck? Makes absolutely no fucking sense.
Them RPM will make a big fucking difference. Right now, Sammy's having interference. His car is just revving up on its own as soon as he turns it off. We're gonna try to figure that out and get back up.
Doing it right now.
Yeah, look, we got his remote on. He's controlling it right now. Right? Once he starts this car, it like creates his own brain. Watch. He gonna start it up. Watch this. I don't know if somebody playing with us or what, but.